how Microsoft PC Manager works on your Windows PC. The Settings menu lets you adjust preferences such as startup behavior, notifications, update options, and other features to match your needs. In this guide, I'll show you how to change Microsoft PC Manager settings in 2026. First, launch Microsoft PC Manager from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Wait for the application to load completely before making any changes. Next, click the Settings icon or open the Application menu, depending on your version of Microsoft PC Manager. This is where you'll find the available customization options. Browse through the available options. You may find settings related to automatic startup, notifications, updates, language preferences, and other application features. The exact options can vary depending on the version you're using. Adjust the settings that match your preferences. You can enable or disable certain features, modify startup behavior, or change other available options based on how you want Microsoft PC Manager to operate. Most settings are saved automatically as you make changes. If your version displays an Apply or Save button, click it to confirm your new preferences. Finally, return to the main dashboard and confirm that your new settings are active. If necessary, restart Microsoft PC Manager or your computer so certain changes can fully take effect. And that's how to change Microsoft PC Manager settings in 2026. Customizing the application lets you tailor its behavior to your workflow while keeping your Windows PC optimized and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.